Hello, judiciary aspirant and law students. Today we are going to discuss when the right to private defense may extend to causing the death of the attacker or assailer. चलिए फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं इस इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक के साथ. Section 38 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and the old section of 100 of the Indian Penal Code gives you right when can you use your right to private defense, and that right to private defense may extend to causing the death of the attacker and assailer. Provides 7 circumstances in which you can cause the death of the person in exercising your right of private defense. The first situation is, and second situation is, when there is a reasonable apprehension that the assault is being used by the attacker or assailer be converted to the death or the grievous hurt situation. In such situation, you can cause the death of the person to protect your right. Here, your intention should be clear. The intention should be to protect yourself, not to attack. Fourth and fifth is when there is an act is being committed against you and it gives you a reasonable apprehension, the rape, unnatural lust, abduction or kidnapping is about to be committed against you. And seventh situation is the wrongful restraint is being committed in such situation that you are in apprehension that it is impossible for you to take the public assistance. Seventh situation is someone is throwing or administering acid on you and you are mentioned that grievous hurt will be the consequences of such administration of acid. These are the 7 circumstances in which your right to private defense may extend to cause the death of the attacker. Let's keep in this mind, this right is only and only available to protect yourself, to your body or to another, but not to attack the assailer. Only and only use the reasonable force and cannot exceed that reasonable force. बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में राइट टू प्राइवेट डिफेंस को समझा. ऐसे ही डिफिकल्ट से डिफिकल्ट लीगल प्रोविजन केस लॉ को समझने के लिए और अपनी तैयारी को बूस्ट करने के लिए आज ही जुडिशरी लॉ क्लासेस से कांटेक्ट कीजिए और अपना जुडिशरी क्लियर करने के सपने को पूरा कीजिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.